What it do, what it don't, what it is, what it isn't. You already know what this is. This is Once We're Not the Same, a magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into. Zion, I'm your host P-Fire, aka Phoenix the Fireboy. I ain't got no aliases today, and today I'm at the ArchiveJoy pop-up in Shoreditch. There's a few sellers here. I'm gonna walk around, show you some of the stuff, hopefully get some time with the guys, and yeah, they're on today, which is Saturday, and they're on tomorrow, so I'm gonna post this today, so you lot should see it today, and hopefully pop down tomorrow. Alright, peace. They got some bait bits, baby Milo, some Stussy. Looks like they got some bits, man. Some vape. Some more Stussy. Baby Milo bit. There it goes down. A bit of Sweet Leg Louis Stussy, I think. That's Stussy. Yeah. Quite a bit of Stussy here. Got a good selection. Let me step back so you can see. See, the racks and the rails are looking beautiful. ACG, you know what I mean? Little North Face bits. Copper. Oops. They've got like proper old school sturdy bits, you can see. Just Nike. If you want some old school Nike bits, you really want to come down. What's that I'm watching now? Nike. So that's all Nike over there. And you've got more bits over here. Let me just see Prada. Little Prada right there. Prada. See? That's just a Prada rail. I mean, look at that. Pretty dope. Prada Delay, large, 225. Got bags. But we'll get back to that. Let me go around this way. Oh, my favourite rail. They got some mosh. Oh shit. They got a bunch of mosh. When I say they got some mosh, they got a bunch of mosh. Let me step back. This is like mosh heaven. Look. Mosh heaven. Have a little look through. Got some nice bits. I see something. Like, what's looking at the prices? So it's proper, obviously. You know, you're not going to get them crazy for cheap, but you know, they'll have some pieces through here that I'm sure you'll be able to spot something. Like, look, that's a dope piece. Sorry, I'm one-hand cameraing, so you know, if you can't get the full view of it, but you can see, look, proper dope pieces that much. Look, a couple waistcoats. Oh no, it's a dress. If only I used my eyes properly, eh? Oh, they got some D&G. So like this D&G right here. If you remember D&G, some of you are too young. You don't recognise the brand, Dolce and Gabbana. Oh look, some Fendi pants. What are we looking at here? 250, that's not bad at all actually. Waist 26, so if you're small waist, you're good to go. You've got some Iceberg, obviously. More D&G, some Burbs, some Dior. Some Dior. Boom. Oh, a little AV. Got a little AV, like a proper thing. See that? AV work. Proper thing. Like proper. It's not even cracked. It's very nice. It's like doing weights carrying the camera in that jacket. Bit more AV there. AV jumper. AV jumper. Yeah, no, they got some proper bits. Bits there, you know Maharashi is famous for their dragon prints and stuff. As you can see, it's just a roll of dragon prints. Roll of pants. Guys are still working hard, setting up, you can see. And then got this rail here. That's what I wore today.
Is that what you're getting? Yeah.
Like we got t-shirts, different comme des garçons. What's this? That's a nice knit. That knit's pretty nice.
It's one of them ones. I reckon just take it in turns, and if someone's been on there for long, Dolce said she's happy to do it as well.
Show you. So, some nice bits there. So you like comme des garçons again. What are you looking at?
I reckon just do
145. Yeah, so comme des garçons rail, pretty decent. Step back, of course. See a nice little green edge up there. Got a little Chanel bit. Little nylon metal. It's a nice colour. I got a jacket in this colour. Bathing Nate bucket. Stony little mosh cap.
Do you have to create a profile? Yeah.
Some little Prada, you know the old what do they call them? The cups.
Oh shit, yeah, because we try and sell one of my things on it now.
That's really nice. Look at that. That's really nice. Look, you see Miyake. You bet you see Miyake there. That's cute. Oh, that's really dope. Like, can you see the detail in them? Really nice. Yeah, they just got some dope bits, man. Look, fleeces. Let me step back. Obviously, they got CP here and Stony here. Obviously, people are crying about people saying Stony, but you know, when you're old, you don't really care. See, they got the CP company with the removable badge. That's the under 16s, but they come up big sometimes, so you can actually pick yourself a piece. Like, look at this. That's proper. Look at that. Thin. If I was tiny, that might be me. That's really nice. So like I said, under 16. So if you see someone with a CP company and it's a removable badge, it's the under 16. It's not necessarily dodgy. Okay? It's not necessarily moody. It just means it's from the under 16 range. That's nice. So of course, let me step back so you can see. So that's a Stony rail right there. You can see, obviously you take the badges off because people have light fingers. And then when you get to the till, they will give you the badge. So yeah, boom. So they got knits, as you can see, jumpers, little jacket bits. Nice. See that? That says 30 Annie right there. As you can see. 30th Annie on there. You see the little, what do we call these? Not crest, lorry, I don't know, like Caesar wears, I forget what they're called, but yeah, it's one of those. And that's 125, which is not bad at all actually, in really good condition. Nice little white shirt there. I think I've got a shirt, I've got this shirt but in a brown, I think. Yeah, I need to do a review on that actually. So, oh, that's a nice blue. Look at that blue right there. That blue is beautiful. That's really nice. Look at that. I don't know what year that is, but very nice that. And that is for 95. It's not bad at all. Very nice that. I like the collar. Really nice. Okay. More Stussy, Bape. Stussy. Or is it Stussy? I don't know. I'm from England, man. I never get it right. See, they got some shorts. Got some shorts. Got jeans. T-shirt. It's a nice t-shirt actually. No, it's a small. It's damn. It's really nice. Got the shorts like nylon metal. That's it. Right there. Ooh. I like how they styled that. So they got the CP waistcoat right there. And a mesh badge.